Let's say you have any Java process running and you want to understand how much memory it is taking, how much CPU utilization it is taking. You can find that easily using the jconsole tool. So that comes with the JDK and it is inside the bin directory of JDK. So to monitor the any Java process, just run that process. For example, right now I am running this Java server and I want to monitor like how much memory it is using. So what I'm gonna do is go to the terminal and then type jconsole. Then this particular screen will open up. And here you have to select the class you are running. So right now you can see that I want to monitor this particular process, simple server, which has got this process ID 16284. Then just click on connect, and then it will say that secure connection failed. You can click on insecure connection, and now it will show you all the details of that process. So you can see here it is showing heap memory uses of JVM, then threads, number of threads in that Java process, then classes that have been loaded, and the CPU uses as well. And if you want to get more details regarding memory, you can click here and you can see more details like heap space, non-heap space. You can also do perform garbage collection over here to reclaim more memory. Then you can go to the threads to see more details about like what threads are running. Then classes, here it will show number of classes that have been loaded. So even if it is a simple Java class that you're running, behind the scene, there are a lot of other Java native classes that get loaded. You can see that there are 2386 classes that have been loaded. Then this is the summary of the JVM. So lots of information is there. So as your process or the Java application is running and more load is being generated, you will see the chart will reflect those changes over here. And then that way you can monitor how much memory, how much CPU your application is consuming. Thank you.